Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of doing some hiking in the Central Cascade Mountains. I did these hikes on a trip I took out to Bend, Oregon. So these were kind of on the way out to Bend from Eugene. I rented a car here in Eugene for a couple days and drove across the Central Cascade Mountains over to Bend, and that's when I did these hikes. The first hike that I ended up doing this video, which was the very beginning, kind of the intro of the video, was to the Tomalich Blue Pool, which is along the Mackenzie River Trail. So it ended up being a very cool hike to this blue pool, which I believe was like spring-fed water. It was super clear and blue. That's why it's called a blue pool. It was along the Mackenzie River, which was a really beautiful section of trail, which actually I kind of liked that section of this trail the most. Along the river, it was in some like old growth forest and stuff, and it was very pretty. I think it ended up being like a 4-mile round-trip hike, so not too long. It was pretty mellow, mostly flat the whole way. Very simple hike, but cool. The second hike I ended up doing, which was only a few miles up the road from the first one on my way up to Bend, was the Koosah and Sahalie Falls hike, which was only about 2.5 miles, I believe, but a couple of really impressive waterfalls, and it was very cool. The streams were quite raging and very clear, like almost like blue water. Very impressive. The Cascade Mountains in Oregon are pretty cool. Lots of great waterfalls and streams, and the forests are just absolutely beautiful, like old growth forests and stuff. It's very pretty, very lush green. Yeah, it's very cool. Yeah, this video is basically just the first day of a few-day trip I was taking out to Bend, Oregon, so there will be a couple more videos coming out over the next couple of weeks, so you can look forward to those if you are enjoying these hiking / photography videos I'm putting out here in Oregon. I'm going to be here for like another few weeks as well, so maybe I'll try and record a couple more while I am out here. But if you did enjoy the video, subscribe to my channel down below if you want to see more, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.